Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to transfer between fiat and crypto in Nexo. So here's a step-by-step guide on how to transfer between fiat and cryptocurrency in Nexo account. The first thing you need to do is to open the Nexo mobile app and log in with your email address and password if prompted. From the home screen, locate and tap on the exchange option. This is usually found in the main menu or dashboard, typically the bottom right corner. You'll see a couple of options: swap, target swap, futures, boosters, and you have crypto bundles. Now you can just go ahead and select swap. Now I will not be able to proceed with this because I need to verify my identity. So you need to click on this continue button to verify your identity. But I really cannot verify my identity because I do not have all of those details. But I'm just going to show you what to do once you select exchange and you select swap. You will see options to exchange between different assets. Select the fiat currency you want to convert, which include USD or euros, and the cryptocurrency you want to receive, be it Bitcoin or Ethereum. Specify the amount of fiat currency you want to convert and want to swap to cryptocurrency or vice versa. The app will display the equivalent amount in a selected asset. Take a moment to review the exchange rates and any applicable fees associated with the transactions. Ensure you are comfortable with the terms before proceeding. Once you've verified all details, tap Confirm to initiate the transfer. You may need to enter a two-factor authentication code if it is enabled for added security. Then, the exchange process typically takes a few moments. You receive a notification once the transfer is complete. And after the transaction is processed, check your Nexo account to see the updated balances for both the fiat and cryptocurrency. The changes should be reflected in the respective wallets. And that's it. You've successfully transferred between fiat and cryptocurrency in your Nexo account. You can now use your funds for various services, including earning interest or making purchases. So you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.